Have you ever tried building an opt-in page, a sales page, or really any other kind of landing page using WordPress? You can spend hours trying to tweak the details and get it to look right, but let's be honest, it still ends up looking kind of rubbish. And a lot of landing page building tools don't really improve the situation that much. They can be very restrictive and often also clumsy to use. And that's why I'm very happy to introduce Thrive Landing Pages. Thrive Landing Pages is the fastest and most customizable landing page building plugin for WordPress. And with this plugin, you'll be building highly optimized lead generation pages, sales pages, webinar registration pages, and more in just minutes and right in your own WordPress website. One of the ways in which Thrive landing pages are optimized for higher conversions is by ensuring a better experience for your visitors. Here at Thrive Themes, we believe that you shouldn't have to adjust your business around the limitations that your tools impose. And that's why we created Thrive Landing Pages, the first landing page building tool that gives you highly optimized templates that you can deploy instantly and also gives you all the tools you need to completely customize every page or even build landing pages completely from scratch. It's as simple as this. Choose one from over 100 professionally designed templates and simply make some small changes and tweaks to get the landing page ready in just minutes. Or use our intuitive drag and drop editor and hundreds of content elements and customization options to make a page completely your own. Like I mentioned before, Thrive Landing Pages is built to give your visitors the best experience possible, which leads to higher conversion rates for you. To accomplish this, we provide sets of matching landing page designs so that you can easily create thank you pages, email confirmation pages, and other funnel pages that have the same look and feel as the original landing page that your visitors arrive on. And of course, it's also a breeze to make your landing page match your very own brand. In addition, every landing page you create with this plugin is fully mobile optimized and it integrates seamlessly with your favorite email marketing tools. Are you starting to see all of the amazing possibilities here? For example, do you want to create a high converting registration page for your next live webinar? Thrive Landing Pages has got you covered. Does designing a free video course as a lead magnet to get more subscribers seem a little too complicated and time consuming? Not with the easy templates you get in Thrive Landing Pages. Want to add a countdown timer to one of your landing pages? Done. Add social sharing buttons to your thank you page? Done. Use a two-step opt-in process on your opt-in pages? Done. With Thrive Landing Pages, you'll be getting more leads and generating more sales in no time. And all without having to make a painful choice between either high speed of implementation or high quality landing pages. Here's exactly what you'll get when you purchase Thrive Landing Pages today. You get instant access to a library of more than 120 conversion optimized templates. We also continually release new templates and new features. So having Thrive Landing Pages is like having access to a professional designer and a conversion expert all wrapped into a plugin. You get access to our drag and drop editor that allows you to make changes and customizations to your landing pages easily and at lightning speeds. You get access to our customer support forum where you can get any questions answered quickly by our super helpful support team. You also get our 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you don't love this plugin, you can get your money back within 30 days of purchase, no problem. And one more thing, one of the things our customers appreciate the most are the tutorialized sales pages. With Thrive Landing Pages, you'll have access to several amazing sales page templates suitable for different purposes. Not only are these pages beautifully designed and cut dozens of hours and thousands of dollars out of a typical sales page design process, they're also fully tutorialized. That means you can simply open up the template and follow the content within that template that will help you create more compelling copy, present your product in an irresistible way, find the best testimonials, and much, much more. You get instant access to all this if you purchase your copy of Thrive Landing Pages today. And there's just one catch. If you want to get Thrive Landing Pages at the lowest price possible, you need to act now. Like I mentioned before, we keep adding new templates, new features, and new improvements to this plugin. And obviously, on a regular basis, we increase the price of the plugin to match the added value inside it. So to make sure you get Thrive Landing Pages at the lowest price possible, click the button below this video, sign up, and start building drop-dead gorgeous landing pages in minutes instead of hours.